Coming up in and around the city today and the coming week, this Saturday the 21st of December is the Art in a Bottle Wine and Art Workshop at the Brew and Bar at the Holiday Inn Hotel. Creative bottle painting, cheese and cold cuts platter, and a 2-hour free flow of beverages from 1 till 3 p.m, priced at just 1,850 baht net per person. This weekend is also the finals of the Pattaya Water Sports Competition, with windsurfing and wing foiling. That's down on Jomtien Beach. If you're looking for somewhere special to go for Christmas, one for you darksiders, the Outback Sports Bar and Restaurant will be sizzling up their Christmas Carvery on Christmas Day, including starters, your choice of roast beef, turkey, lamb, chicken, salmon and more, with all the trimmings, finished off with Christmas pudding. That's priced at just 999 baht per adult, 499 baht for kids aged 7 to 12, and kids under 7 eat for free. For a nice change of scenery away from all the hustle and bustle, enjoy a Christmas dinner buffet on the beach lawn at the 𝗕𝗶𝘁𝗁𝗍𝗃 Hotel in Jomtien. On both the 24th and the 25th of December, eat all you can from 5 till 10 p.m. for just 1,999 baht per adult. Or enjoy a brunch-inspired holiday feast on the 26th of December at the 𝗕𝗵𝘁𝗁𝗍𝗃 New York Grill Room. That's from 6 till 10 p.m, priced at 2,299 baht net per adult. That includes a buffet, a welcome drink, and a free flow of soft drinks throughout the evening. Over at the Holiday Inn Hotel, on Christmas Eve, enjoy a 4-course set menu at the East Coast Kitchen on the 6th floor of the hotel, priced at just 1,190 baht net per person. You can also opt for an additional 3-hour free flow beverage package for just 1,000 baht net per person, and that's from 6:30 till 10 p.m. Or on Christmas Day, they'll have a lunch buffet feast at The Collective on Pattaya Beach Road in front of the Bay Tower, priced at just 1,990 baht net per person, and also 1,000 baht for a 3-hour free flow beverage package. Advance reservations for this one are essential. For more information on these events and for more Christmas and New Year specials, be sure to head over to our website, alwayspattaya.com.